Welcome, in front of me is the Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I will show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a cable, plug it into specifically your computer. I'll be using Windows and I don't know if it works with Mac, so just pointing that out. We just need this so we can access recovery mode. There's no other actual reason. And on your computer, you don't need anything. It just needs to be simply connected to it for some reason. In any case, on our device, we're gonna swipe down from the top of the screen, select the power button, and choose power off. When the phone turns off, which it just did, you want to start holding your volume up and power button at the same time, and when you begin holding both of those buttons, you're gonna immediately plug in the cable. So I'm gonna start holding the buttons now, plug in. On a second you will see the Samsung and then Galaxy. When you do, let go of the power button. So when the Galaxy shows up, let go of the power button, and in a moment you will see recovery mode, which is right about now. There we go. You can also let go of the volume up and you can unplug the cable. It was only needed to get us into this mode and serves no other purpose. Anyway, in here using volume buttons, as that's what we need to use to navigate, you want to scroll down and select wipe cache partition, confirm that with the power button, select yes, again confirm that. It quickly finishes up the process and then select Reboot system now by default, so press power button once more to initiate the reboot, which will get us back to Android. And as you can see in a second, we are in Android. There we go. So that's it. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.